Hello all, this is Justin from the Mountain Lakes Library. This video tutorial is going to be all about Kanopy, one of the digital resources you have available to you for free as a patron of the Mountain Lakes Library. I'm going to show you how to download and use the Kanopy video streaming app with your library card on your phone or tablet, as well as access the desktop version of Kanopy via the Mountain Lakes Library website. First things first, we're going to need to download the app, which I can just do directly from the App Store by searching for Kanopy. And let's download. Alright, now let's open up the app now that it's downloaded. So if this is your first time using Kanopy, you're going to want to click on Get Started in order to create your Kanopy account. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find your public library, which is the Mountain Lakes Public Library. And we can just do that by searching for Mountain Lakes and selecting the Mountain Lakes Public Library. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your library card number and your library card PIN. Your library card number is that long barcode on the back of your library card, starting with 11025, and your library card PIN, which was assigned to you when you first got your library card. If you forget your library PIN, or maybe you're having trouble accessing your account, you can just shoot us an email at mllibraryhelpline@gmail.com and we'll get that all sorted for you. Now, if I were to put in my library card number and my library card PIN, the next page would ask me to put in an email and a password. Those are the two credentials that I'm going to use to log into my Kanopy account. Now, I've already created a Kanopy account, so I'm just going to go back to the first page we saw and click Login, where I can put in my email address and password that I already set up. Alrighty, now that I'm logged in, we can have a look at the home page of the Kanopy app. As you can see, it's set up much the same as other streaming video services like Netflix and Hulu, where you can search and browse in different categories for different titles. I'd also like you to notice this number 4 in the top right of the screen. That's the amount of play credits I have left for this month. Now, with our subscription to Kanopy, it allows our patrons to view 4 movies a month for free, and that resets on the first day of each month. Now, that being said, notice this first category here says credit-free viewing. These are all movies and TV shows that you can view for free on your Kanopy account without it counting against your 4 free credits per month. So I can browse these categories. I can also click over to the Browse tab on the bottom of the app here to look at all of the categories that are available. Or I could just search for an individual title or subject. For example, if I was interested in history, I could just do a search for history and I'll see all of the titles related to history. I can browse through, say I find something that looks interesting, I can just click on it and it brings me to the page where I can either save it to my watch list or just play it immediately by clicking on this play button. So as you can see, the movie loads and we can start watching. If I just back out of here, I can go over to my lists. This is going to show me what I can continue watching, stuff that I've already started. Oops. As well as anything I might have added to my watch list. One more thing to note is over on this More tab, you can switch over to Kanopy Kids. This is where all the kids' content is on Kanopy. And to get back, you can just go to Exit Kanopy Kids. Another cool thing you can do with Kanopy is you can stream it directly to your television by linking to your device. If you have a Roku or a Fire TV or a Smart TV, you can just link it directly to your device, so I can stream a Kanopy movie from my phone directly to my television. Now, if I wanted to use the Kanopy desktop app and not an app on a phone or a tablet, I can do that directly through the Mountain Lakes Library website, which I'll show you now. First, I'm just going to delete this app so the website doesn't know that we have it. Now, from the Mountain Lakes Library website, that's library.mtnlakes.org, I can just click on the menu and go down to Online Resources, which is going to bring up all of our digital resources that we have available here at the Mountain Lakes Library. I can then scroll down to Kanopy, and it's as simple as clicking on Kanopy, which is going to bring me to the desktop version of the site, where I can either log in if I've already created an account, or I can set up my account by clicking Get Started. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, you can just hit us up at mllibraryhelpline@gmail.com. Thank you.